Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make round-shaped profile picture with the help of Canva. The process I'm going to show you is a very easy step-by-step process. You can find Canva app in all major operating systems, but I prefer to use it in web browser. So let's get started. At first, go to any web browser and go to canva.com. Now go to create a design and click on custom size. Here you can put 800 for width and 800 for height. Then click on create new design. So this is the whiteboard of 800 by 800 pixel where we will create our round shaped profile picture. Now you have to go to elements and search for frames. Now drag and drop the round frame on the whiteboard. Resize the round frame and keep it a little bit smaller than the whiteboard. Then put it in the middle. To put it into the middle, you just need to bring it near to the middle, then it will be snapped automatically in the middle. Now go to uploads and click on upload files. Now choose your picture that you want to make round shaped. Now drag and drop your picture on the round frame. Now double click on the picture and resize it as you want in your profile picture. So we are almost done. Now you have to download the picture in PNG format. To do it, click on share, then click on download. Select PNG. Also select transparent background, then click download. Open the downloaded file. And here you can see your round shaped profile picture. If you have learned something from this video, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.